You may be out of sight, but never out of my mind. Rocker Vitascope is the world's first battery-free, 3D wooden assembled retro projector that reproduces the classic scenes in modern times. It's more than just a model. It's a real movie projector. Rocker Vitascope is 100% made by basswood, healthy, environmentally friendly, and recyclable materials with German high-tech laser cutting. The high-precision cutting is accurate to within 5 microns, ensuring there are absolutely no burrs on the edge of the board. No battery or any other power required. 100% hand power generation. Make sure you can run this rocker projector anytime, anywhere. Rotate the crank, listen to the motor sound, and see how the motor and hand generator work. Very classic, very mechanical. Let this small projector take you back to the old days when every scene was in black and white. Lights off. The movie starts. Don't you want to watch a black and white movie?